Okay, today we have a 2024 Subaru Forester Sport. Just got done doing oil change, and I cleaned up the engine bay a little bit. Just road grime. Still got it on the little ramps that I have. Best way to put it on ramps when you're working with yourself, use a mirror to see the ramps from your driver's side window. Okay, so what we're doing is I got a new button for the auto start stop feature. It's the button itself. It's not any type of wiring. It's not the wiring you plug in under the seat or the wiring you have to get into your center panel above the windows or above the visors on the windshield. This button replaces the one right there. It's got a little indicator. It's a replacement. So there's no video on how to get these out of here, but I will try to do this one-handed so I can hold the phone. If you reach back, there's a clip that holds this bottom part in. You reach under with your finger and you pop that clip down. While you're holding it down, push the button in. The button will swivel up. Now you'll take your little flat edge pry tool. I'm using this because it's all I have on me right now. I recommend using something plastic if you're worried. But you put it in here and you give it a little twist. Push the button and it pops right out. After 45 minutes of looking for a video on how to do that, there isn't one. Everyone shows unplugging wires under the seat, up in there. So I am going to go ahead and get this unplugged. Not sure how well this video is going to show. Get my little screwdriver, push this tab in, unplug it. Take the new button, plug it in. I'll have to go back and check to make sure that the video actually caught that. And then you just slide the new one in place. It clears, it still functions. Now, let's see. Okay. Yep, my key is on the workbench. It's not in my pocket. So, yeah, that's how you replace the button. I assume they can all come out that way. The top row would probably have to be remove the bottom button to get to the button on top. Procedure's probably the same. But that is how you replace the button. I guess the same would be for any of the other function buttons down there. Can't find very many videos on my 2024 Forester Sport. So I'm going to make as many as I can to help other people out as they need to do repairs. All right. I don't like to say like and subscribe for my next video, but I'll do what I can for videos. This is, I call it Blue Dragon. That's what I named my Subaru because it's blue. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.